Hello, my name is Trevor Hayworth. I'm here to introduce to you the YCP 120C hydraulic crimp tool. We've developed this tool to specifically swage aluminium, copper and steel ferrules onto wire ropes from 1mm up to 5mm diameter. Okay, so let's just see what's in the box when you purchase this tool. You get a tough little carry case designed specifically for the tool. And then inside there's 9 hardened die sets, and the tool itself, which is an open face design, which means that you can put things into it along the length of a long cable, for example. There's an easy on-off designed little hand wheel here, and that switches on the hydraulic action and also releases the hydraulic pressure. The head twists easily so that you can actually get multiple points of access. Okay, we're going to put a set of dies in the tool. The tool basically has 2 set screws that hold the dies in place for long-term operation. There's one at the top and one on the ram there. They actually use a 2.5 Allen key, which is supplied with the tool. To put the dies in, simply select the size that you want. These are code 6s. Put them in place, like so, and then tighten the set screw. You don't need to over tighten it, just do it until you just feel resistance against the die, like so. That's enough, don't do it anymore. Same with the one at the bottom on the ram. Then just check alignment of the dies by pumping the tool up, like so. Just check, tighten if you need to. That's all okay. Release the dies. There you go. Now I'm just going to turn the die head round to show you that it rotates. This is the right way up for me in this particular demonstration. Now I'm going to actually swage this ferrule by using the tool in the air like this, but obviously if you want to use it on a surface like this, could make the swaging more easy. Right, the particular cable we're going to swage today is a 5mm steel cord cable. It's got about a 1.5 ton braking load, and we're going to use code 6 ferrules on it, which is the correct size for this particular cable. I'm just going to put my safety glasses on because the cable's got a nasty habit of flicking up. Here's the ferrule, and we're just going to form a soft loop or a soft die using this ferrule. You can pull the eye size to how you want it. We've got a little dead tail here. Now it's very important that you leave at least half a rope diameter of dead tail out for load bearing assemblies, and this is the live section of cable, the section that will take the weight once the assembly is made. So the first part we're going to swage is the part nearest the eye, so we turn the dial to on and just make sure the ferrule's in the die, like so. So you'll see there that it's the part nearest the eye, not the part nearest the dead end. And then we'll pump the tool until it clicks out. And when it clicks out, that means that we've reached full pressure of 8 tons. And the dies will be closed, like so. The dies are fully closed now, and the ferrule's reduced to the right reduction. So then all we do is release the ferrule in the dies, move the ferrule along, turn the dial back to on, pump the dies again to trap the ferrule, like so, and then just repeat the operation until it clicks out. Release the ferrule from the dies, And there it is. This termination can take 90% of the rope's minimum braking load if fitted correctly. If you're going to use it for anything that's safety critical, make sure you test it beforehand. Thanks for watching the demonstration.